Hello there, Capricorn! Welcome sa inyong bonus reading. Thank you so much na dahil sa kayo sa mga masusugid na taga-subaybay at istambayers ko dito. Sorry, nabubul. May bago bumiss yan. Lagi ka namang nabubul. Yeah, I know, right? So, yun nga, no, bonus reading ito para sa'yo. Caps, thank you so much sa inyo dito. Talagang walang sawa, talagang pag-istambay. Okay, and hi sa ating mga new viewers. My name is Yan. You can also bring your other loved ones right here, okay? And yun nga, no, kung hindi nyo pa alam mga mahal, meron pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. If interesado, click lamang yung link dyan para kayo mapunta there. At araw-araw ay nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun, wala tayo dito gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. So just take only what resonates, guys. And of course, mga babes, no, kung hanap ninyo, no, is reading ng inyong other, parang gustong subaybayan ng mga zodiac signs, na meron din tayo dyan sa ating channel, no, dito sa The High Priestess. Okay? So yeah, kay cross-watchers dito ni Capricorn, welcome ka rin. Merong Capricorn placement sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. Just take only what resonates. This reading is for Capricorn. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, Angel Guides, para sa palagian ninyo dito na present sa reading ni Capricorn. Can we get added information or something that dapat malaman ni Capricorn? Can you please show me messages para kay Capricorn, please? Capricorn. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages right here para sa'yo, Capricorn. So guys, you do have here the energy of Hierophant. Promotion, yeah, about work, no, increase of finances, 8 of coins, 8 of cups. Now we'll be seeing a lot of number 8. 8 has something to do with financial. Magandang number yan when it comes to coins, money. Wow, you're attracting here money, wealth. Okay, Emperor, 9 of swords, Knight of coins. Bottom of the deck, 3 of coins, Page of cups. Okay, sa inyong work, may humahanga. Someone younger than you, Capricorn, okay? This person here is humahanga sa inyo, no? Secret admirer, yun nakikita natin dito, okay? Sa age, maaaring mas matanda kayo sa kanya, yun nakikita natin dito, no? Or mas mataas ang inyong posisyon sa kanya, no? So this person right here, for some reason, yung iba sa kanila, bago lang sila sa company pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo, if you're working in a company, or others, no? Wala kayo ditong, pagsasama sa iisang kumpanya, maaaring nakikita niya kayo somewhere. Yan, 'no? At hinahangaan niya kayo, 'no? Nakikita niya kayo as someone na matalino. With the Queen of Swords energy, this person right here is actually fantasizing, 'no, na magkaroon rito ng pagkilanlan sa inyo, knowing each other's background. So definitely, okay, because this person here is someone who's excited. I'm seeing excitement sa energy niya. Probably I'm seeing, 'no, nakakausapin niya kayo rito, 'no. Pero kung hindi niya pa alam kung nasaan kayo, magkakaroon siya rito ng interest na hanapin kayo or gumawa ng paraan, 'no, just to meet you in person. Yan, 'no. So nakikita natin dito, iba kasi puwedeng nakikwento-kwento kayo, 'no, ng baka may parehas kayo ritong kakilala with the 3 of coins energy. Capricorn, okay? At maaaring itong person na 'to na mas lalo siya ritong naku-curious and at the same time, 'no, mas lalo siya ritong nag-a-admire sa'yo. Yan, 'no. Okay. So, maliban diyan nakuha rin tayo rito ng recognition sa work, more likely, 'no, may financial kayo ritong naa-attract, 'no, pero sa iba promotion 'yan, 'no. Congratulations in advance. Iba naman talagang na-promote na, 'yan congratulations talaga mga babes, 'no. Okay, yung iba naman dito, 'no, maaaring alam niyo talaga, 'no, na running kayo for promotion and praying really hard, 'no, ilang gabi rin kayong hindi nakatulog and then boom, there's this good news about you being promoted sa iyong trabaho, 'no? At yung iba naman dito kung hindi kayo nagwo-work sa isang company but you're doing some kind of business, could be, self-employed, 'no? So nakikita natin dito that you're attracting here money and wealth, 'no? Okay. Nakita ko dito yung iba, nagsusuot rito ng mga crystals, okay, to attract energies, mga gano'n, 'no. But it's not because of your crystals. That's why, dumadating yung money sa'yo, 'no. But it is because of your hard work. It is because of your effort. It is because your, diligence right here. Kaya mo na-attract yung opportunity na 'yan. Plus, I'm seeing a creative you. Okay? So if this is not yet happening, then prepare yourself because maaaring magulat kayo. There's a very strong energy. Look at that. Parang mga sinag. Look at that. See? Okay? It's not far from happening, Capricorn. You're attracting money. You're like a money magnet, sweetheart. Claim it, no? Because I know that you deserve it. Yan. And also, aside from your attracting here money, I do see that you're also attracting here future spouse, I do see that your future spouse right here probably do not yet know about you. Okay, maybe hindi rin pa rin niya alam kung ano yung pangalan mo. Definitely a brand new energy. And nakita ko na dumadaan pa siya ngayon sa isang breakup with a karmic partner. So whoever is this, saan man siyang lupalop ng earth, okay, soon to meet kayong dalawa. And you're attracting this guy, you're attracting this woman, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. Wala tayong gender dito, but you're attracting here your companion forever. Okay, yeah, I'm getting that till death do us part. So I do see, wow, I do see that this is really the love of your life right here. You're attracting this love of your life mo. Yan, no? Mo at hindi ng kapitbahay mo. Sa'yo itong person na ito. Babe, yan, no? And of course, nakita rin ako ng energy dito, Meron ditong parang ang bagal-bagal maglakad, no? May kabayo naman pero naglakad din. See? Tas wala pang suot yan na sapatos, nakayabak pa yan, So, meaning to say mga babes 'no, itong person na 'to 'no, kung sino man ito with the Emperor right in here, Nine of Swords 'no, ito yung parang medyo mataas yung asta niya sa inyo way back before 'no. Maaaring ma-pride siya, okay, or sa kanya ritong ego, napakalaki ng kanyang ego dati. Okay, and now this person here, look at that, ang bagal, 'di ba? Ang bagal niya ritong lumalapit sa inyo. Nahihiya siya rito at nasasayangan sa inyo ritong naudlot na pagkakataon. Binigyan niyo siya rito, alam niya, binigyan niyo siya ng ilang beses na pagkakataon upang magbago, upang maging seryoso, upang maging mature sa inyong relationship. Pero ito ay sinayang niya. 'Di ba? Paano miss yan? Sinayang, gano'n. So, nakita natin dito 'no, that this person right here nahihiya ang kanyang energy 'no, pero nakikita ko siya may literal na parang gumagapang siya pabalik sa'yo. Yeah, this person here is definitely here your ex-lover wanting to talk to you and wanting to, uh make this relationship work right now 'no. Kumbaga parang may gusto siya ritong buhayin na inyong dead relationship, Now, this person here wants commitment, legacy, solid foundation, but it's up to you because the Queen of Swords right here, as you can see, you're facing somewhere and you're not facing here, but your ex-lover right here is coming from behind you, no? So it looks like wapakals ka na sa kanya, deadmakals ka na sa kanya, 'no, or wala na kayo talagang pakialam sa kanya for a lot of you, okay? But definitely, okay, there's this communication coming from this person kahit na parang ang bagal-bagal niya rito, parang may energy siyang urong-sulong 'no, parang may gano'n, okay? Makakarating pa rin 'yan sa paroroonan niya 'no, in short, makakarating pa rin 'yan upang makipag-usap sa'yo. But it's up to you, Cups 'no, kung kakausapin niyo siya, okey? So, maliban diyan meron din ditong energy na medyo red flag ito, 'no, medyo hindi ko nagugustuhan yung energy niya mga babes 'no. Kasi itong tao na 'to 'no, parang salas sa init, salas sa lamig siya rito, okey? Pero para mas madali nating maintindihan, para siya ritong kabut, On and off siya rito pawala-wala 'no. Tapos parang medyo mataas rin yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. This is a new energy right here 'no. This is a walking red flag. sweetheart, no? So Capricorn, beware of this person right here. This person is a love bomber, a gaslighter, and this person here, parang meron na siyang gustong patunayan, no? Na parang ang nangyayari rito, no, binivictimize niya lang yung mga nakakasalamuha niyang girls, boys, no? Tapos pag nagkagusto na sa kanya, kasi parang gusto niya tingnan kung gaano siya siguro kagwapo or gaano siya kaganda, parang gano'n, no? Tinitingnan niya eh, no? Kung may mai-inlove sa kanya. Tapos pag in love na, hindi naman niya seseryosohin. See? Definitely a description of a love bomber, gaslighter, definitely a walking red flag. Okay? Kakaloka. Don't entertain this person right here, no? Okay? Your level, your energy level, no? Do not match with this person. However, okay, mamimit mo ang isang red flag. Okay? So last but not the least message right here, we do have here an energy of a visitor. This person right here is someone that hindi mo siya kilala, pero konektado siya sa isa sa mga kakilala mo, okay? Possible na humingi siya ng favor sa'yo, like for some reason, okay? It could be an specific favor or a specific favor, I mean, no? Pero maaaring magdalawa kang isip, no, kung pagbibigyan mo siya kasi hindi nga kayo yung close. So kunwari ganito, alam mo na pinsan siya ng best friend mo, pero hindi mo pa naman na-meet 'tong pinsan ng best friend mo, no? And yes, no, pinsan talaga siya ng best friend mo. However, this pinsan of your best friend, because you're not close, asking you out of the blue ang isang favor. So you do not know if pagbibigyan mo ba ito, no? Kasi una sa lahat hindi kayo close. Well, I understand, no? Your feelings are all valid, no? Lalo na kung yung favor na hinihingi niya rito is somewhat, no, crossing the line or medyo malaki, 'di ba? So, kung ganyan man, pwede mo rin naman kausapin yung mismong konektadong person kayong dalawa, 'no? Okay, so may gano'ng klase ng energy 'no, and siyempre bakit mo naman kung hindi mo feel na gawin yung favor lalo na for this person na hindi naman kayo ka-close, then it's okay na tumanggi, sweetheart, 'no? Sometimes it's okay to say no, okay? But definitely it's up to you if you want to make tanggi dito sa kanyang favor na hihilingin from you, okay? And yeah, if kung titingnan mo nga naman, hindi naman siya yung ka-close mo and then humihingi siya ng isang favor and the favor is parang medyo hindi madali, na it looks like big deal, 'no, or medyo parang mahirap on your part, okay? So yeah, okay, it's for you to decide, it's up to you, okay? But I would like to tell you that it's okay to say no, okay, if you really do not want to do that, alright? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, Caps, for your bonus reading. Thank you so much. It's a privilege na nabasa natin ang mga mensahe na ito for you guys. And again, I'm Yuriana Oni. For the girls, Ingana Duna. For the boys, Sarang Hiya, love and light. And